Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn compiler design, multiple choice question and answer for all competitive examination. Guys, as you know, compiler design is a very important subject for all competitive exams, for example GATE and your other university and regular examination. Okay, so this video is very important. Now let's begin the session. In this, your first question is, guys, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 60 हमने डिस्कस किया था कंपाइलर डिजाइन पार्ट 1 में, एंड दिस इज पार्ट 2 ऑफ कंपाइलर डिजाइन मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. इस वीडियो में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 61 इज, ब्लैंक स्पेस makes grammar suitable for parsing. Okay, ऑप्शंस आपको मेंशन है. ऑप्शन ए फैक्टरिंग, ऑप्शन बी राइट फैक्टरिंग, ऑप्शन सी लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग, ऑप्शन डी रिवर्स फैक्टरिंग. एंड हियर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग. ओके, लेफ्ट फैक्टरिंग मेक्स ग्रामर सुटेबल फॉर पार्सिंग. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, left factoring is a transformation for factoring out the blank space prefix. Okay, so here right answer is option B, common. Left factoring is a transformation for factoring out the common prefixes. Next question, reverse of a rightmost derivation is called blank space. So here right answer is option B, handle. Okay, reverse of a rightmost derivative is called handle in parsing. Okay, next question, the canonical reduction sequence is obtained by handle pruning. Not to be production and not to be handle and not to be reduction. The canonical reduction sequence is obtained by handle pruning. Next question, which is not a shift reduce parser action? Option A shift, option B reduce, option C shift or accept, option D go. So here right answer is option D, go. Go is not a shift reduce parser action. Next question, if a grammar has no two adjacent non-terminals, then it's called as an grammar. Okay, so right answer here is option B. If a grammar has no two adjacent non-terminals, then it's called as an operator grammar. Next question, the parsing table is generally a blank space dimensional array. Right answer is option B, 2. The parsing table is generally a two-dimensional array. Next question, precedence table can be encoded by blank space functions. Right answer here is option C, precedence. Precedence table can be encoded by precedence functions. Next question, stacks is posed with blank space symbols. So right answer here is option A, dollar symbol. Okay, in the parsing techniques, stacks is posed with dollar symbol. Okay, this is very important question. Next question, LR parser is a blank space parser. Right answer is option A, bottom up. LR parser is a bottom up parser. Next question, LR parser construct a blank space type of derivation. Right answer is option A, RMD. Okay, RMD stands for rightmost derivative. LR parser construct a rightmost derivative type of derivation. Okay, next question, LR parser has blank space components. So right answer is option C, and this is 4, not to be 5. LR parser has 4 components and it's included stack, input, driver routine, and fourth one is parsing tables. So right answer here is option C, 4. Next question, what are the components of LR parser? Option A, parsing algorithm, option B, parsing table construction, option C, both A and B, option D, parsing note. Right answer is option C, both A and B. So the component of LR parser are parsing algorithm and parsing table construction. Okay, next question, Blank space function is a collection called canonical collection of LR0 items. Right answer is option A, goto. Goto functions is a collection called canonical collection of LR0 items. Next question. The collection of sets of LR0 item is called option B, CLR. Okay. Next question. The SLR table has two parts. They are blank space and are blank space. So right answer is option A, action and goto entries respectively. The SLR table has two parts. They are action and goto entries respectively. Next question. The input string in input-output buffer followed by the right end maker. Option A, $sign. Next question. If left recursion is available, so right answer here is option B, cycle occurs. Okay. Next question. Blank space keeps the grammar symbols. So right answer here is option B, stack. Stack keeps the grammar symbols. Next question. The blank space keeps the input string. So right answer is option A, input buffer. The input buffer keeps the input string. Next question. Blank space directed translation allows subroutines or semantic action to be attached to the productions of a context-free grammar. Right answer is option A, syntax. Syntax directed translations means SGT allows subroutines or semantic actions to be attached to the productions of a computer of a context-free grammar. Next question. Syntax directed translation subroutines generate blank space code. So right answer is option A, intermediate. Syntax directed translation subroutines generate intermediate code. Next question. A syntax directed translation scheme is merely a blank space grammar. So right answer is option C, context free. A syntax directed translation scheme is merely a context free grammar. Okay. Next question. The blank space action is enclosed in braces. So right answer is option B, semantic. The semantic action is enclosed in braces. Next question. Implementation of syntax directed translators describe and blank space mapping. Right answer is option C, input output mapping. Okay. Implementation of syntax directed translators described an input output mapping. Next question. A compiler would tie the parser and the semantic action programs fragments together, producing blank space module. So right answer here is option A, 1. A compiler would tie the parser and the semantic action program fragments together, producing one module. Next question. Blank space polish places the operator at the right end. So right answer is option A, postfix. Postfix polish places the operator at the right end. Next question. The evaluate the blank space expression a stack is used. Option A, postfix. To evaluate the postfix expression, a stack is used. Next question. The journal strategy is to scan the postfix code. Option A, left to right, means the journal strategy is to scan the postfix code is left to right. Okay. Next question. If the attributes of the parent depend on the attributes of the children, then they are called as blank space attributes. Right answer here is option D, inherited. If the attributes of the parents depends on the attributes of the children, then they are called as inherited attributes. Next question. Blank space is a tree in which each leaf represents as operand and each interior node an operator. So right answer here is option C, syntax tree. Syntax tree is a tree in which each leaf represents an operand and each interior node an operator. Next question. The properties of an entity are called as option B, attributes. Okay. Next question. Usually, the 3 address code contains address 2 for the blank space and 1 for the result. So, right answer is option A, operand. Usually, the 3 address code contains addresses 2 for the operand and 1 for the result. Next question. The blank space statement is an abstract form of intermediate code. So, right answer is option B, 3 address. The 3 address statement is an abstract form of intermediate code. Next question. Which is not the way of implement the 3 address statement? So, right answer is option D, parse tree. Because guys, you are implement the 3 address statement with the help of quadruplets, yes, with the help of triplets, yes, and with the help of indirect triplets. Okay, but not to be parse tree. Okay, so parse tree is not the way of implement the 3 address statement. Okay, next question. Blank space record structure has 4 fields. Right answer is option A, quadruplets. Quadruplets records structure has 4 fields. Okay. Triplet records structure has 3 fields and indirect triplet structures has many fields. So right answer here is option A, quadruplets. Quadruplets record structure has 4 fields. Next question. Parenthesized numbers are used to represent blank space into the triple structure. So right answer is option A, pointer. Parenthesized number are used to represent pointer into the triple structure. Next question. Blank space triples are listing pointers to triples rather than listing the triples themselves. Right answer is option B, indirect. Indirect triples are listing pointers to triplets rather than listing the triplets themselves. Next question. Blank space refers to the location to store the value for a symbol. So here right answer is option B, place. Place refers to the location to store the value for a symbol. Next question. Blank space refers to the expression or expressions in the form of 3 address code. So right answer here is option C, code. Code refers to the expression or expression in the form of 3 address codes. Next question. Blank space is associating the attributes with the grammar symbols. The right answer here is option B, translation. Translation is associating the attributes with the grammar symbols. Next question. In 3 address code for array reference, we assume static allocation of arrays where subscripts range from 1 to some limit known at blank space time. So, right answer here is option A, compile. In 3 address code for array reference, we assume static allocation of arrays where subscripts range from 1 to some limit known at compile time. Next question. In triples, use only 3 fields. Okay. Option A is right here. Next question. Blank space is used in the several stages of the compiler. So right answer is option B, symbol table. Symbol table is used in the several stages of the compiler. Next question. Information about the name is entered into the symbol table during blank space and blank space. So here right answer is option A, lexical and syntactic analysis. So here information about the name is entered into the symbol table during lexical and syntactic analysis respectively. Next question. Each entry in the symbol table is a pair of the form blank space and blank space. Option A, name and information in symbol table. Okay. Each entry in the symbol table is a pair of the form name and information respectively. Next question. A compiler needs to collect and use information about the names appearing in the source program. This information is entered into a data structure called a blank space. So right answer is option A, symbol table. Symbol table is a very important topic in your compiler design. Okay, and it's a phase also of your compiler design. So this is the definition of symbol table. A compiler needs to collect and use information about the names appearing in the source program. This information is entered into a data structure called a symbol table. Next question. Undeclared name and type incompatibilities in option B, semantic errors. Okay. Undeclared name and type incompatibilities type error included in semantic errors. Right answer here is option B. Next question. Minimum distance matching in blank space. So right answer here is option A, syntactic errors. Minimum distance matching in syntactic errors. Next question. Minimum distance correction is blank space errors. So right answer is option A, syntactic phase errors. Minimum distance correction is syntactic phase errors. Okay. Next question. Parser discards input symbol until a option B, synchronizing token is encountered. Next question. The message should not be redundant in blank space. Right answer here is option D, reporting errors. The message should not be redundant in reporting errors. Next question. When an error is detected, the reaction of compiler is different. So here option D is right answer, all of the above, because when an error is detected, the reaction of compiler is different. For example, a system crash and to emit invalid output, yes, and to merely quit on the first detected error. Okay, so they all are the causes for any error in compiler. So right answer here is option D, all of the above. Next question. Two types of data areas. First one common and second one equivalence. So right answer is option B. Two types of data areas are common and equivalence respectively. Okay. Next question. Hashing meaning option A, variation of searching techniques. So right answer here is option A, hashing meaning variation of searching techniques. Next question. And blank space describing the partition in storage to be allocated for the name. Right answer is option B, available. And available describing the partition in storage to be allocated for the name. Next question. The simplest way to implement a symbol table is as a blank space of records, one record per name. So right answer is option A, linear array. The simplest way to implement a symbol table is as a linear array of records, one record per name. Next question. What is the length of identifier for T dimple? ओके सो हेयर आपको TIMPLE एक आइडेंटिफायर मेंशन है. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस आपको इसकी लेंथ चेक करनी है. दिस इज वेरी सिंपल. जस्ट आपको इसमें जो सिंबल्स एडेड है उनको काउंट करना है. सो हियर 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो राइट आंसर हियर इज ऑप्शन बी 6. ओके सो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ आइडेंटिफायर फॉर डिम्पल इज 6. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The accurate term for code optimization is option B, code improvement. Okay, so right answer here is option B. Code optimization is also known as code improvement. Next question. The quality of the object program is generally measured by is option C, size of its running time. Okay, the quality of the object program is generally measured by its size of its running time. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Bye bye.